I will show you make a flig in Face Photoshop. Open layers and hold Ctrl+J to make a copy. Close layer, open filter, click blur and select Gaussian blur. Blur radius 3.0% and press OK. Press Command Shift plus Ctrl plus S. Change file name and save file.
Click OK.
Open layers and delete copy layer. Close layer and press Command Ctrl plus O and select flig picture. Open layers, click lock and drag picture. Hold Ctrl plus T and adjust flig picture. Open filter, click distort and select dispack. Horizontal scale 8%, vertical scale 8% and click OK. Select baby file and click OK. Right click and select blending options. Hold Alt and copy settings. Complete setting and click OK. Select background picture and press Command Ctrl plus J to make a copy. Now grab this copy layer and move it up. Now select color burn and opacity 15%. Select flig layer, right click and select blending options. Copy settings. Click OK. Select flig layer and click mask layer, press Command Ctrl plus I. And select copy layer. Open selection tool and select quick selection tool or select face. Select flig mask layer. Click the paint bucket tool. And make sure that the white color is selected. Now click on the face and press hold Ctrl plus D. Select brush tool and adjust brush size. Now change the color to black. Now remove the flag from the sides of the face. We reduce the size of the brush and clean the lenses of the eyes. Complete design. Thanks for watching.